Ever hit that moment where the unexpected expense monster rears its ugly head? You know the feeling. The car needs a fix, the fridge decides to take a vacation to appliance heaven, or maybe that must-have gadget just dropped. Our bank accounts, bless their cotton socks, don't always have the memo about these surprise visits. So, what are some options? Traditional loans can take ages to get approved. Credit card roulette can land you in a debt spiral faster than you can say APR, and let's not even get started on the sketchy world of payday loans. Enter Credit Genie, a name that conjures up images of financial wishes being granted with a snap of your fingers. But does Credit Genie actually dole out loans, or is it something else entirely? Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of Credit Genie and crack the code on what it can really do for your wallet. First things first, let's clear the air. Credit Genie isn't a traditional loan provider. They don't offer big bucks for cars or houses. Instead, Credit Genie positions itself as a cash advance app. This means they offer a smaller sum of money, typically around $100, to help bridge the gap until your next paycheck. Here's the breakdown. You download the Credit Genie app, link your bank account, and if approved, you can get a quick cash advance. The key word here is advance. This isn't free money. It's a temporary use of your own upcoming earnings. You'll need to pay it back, typically by your next payday. Now, the magic, or maybe not so magic, of Credit Genie is that they advertise these cash advances with zero interest and no credit check. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, there are a couple of catches. First, while there's no interest, Credit Genie does charge a fee. This can be a monthly or bi-weekly fee to maintain your account connection, and there might be additional fees for express delivery of your cash advance. These fees can add up, so make sure to factor them in before you hit that request button. Second, there's no credit check, but Credit Genie does analyze your bank account to determine your eligibility for a cash advance. This means they'll look at your income and spending habits to assess your ability to repay. So, is Credit Genie a loan shark in disguise? Not necessarily, but it's definitely not a free lunch. Here's how to decide if Credit Genie is the right genie for you. Emergency buffer. Do you have a small emergency fund set aside for unexpected expenses? If so, you might be better off tapping into that before turning to Credit Genie. Alternatives. Are there cheaper alternatives available? Maybe you can borrow from a friend or family member, or explore a credit card with a 0% APR introductory period. Just remember to pay it off before the interest kicks in. Fees. Can you swing the fees associated with Credit Genie? Make sure you factor them into the total cost of the advance before you proceed. If you absolutely need a small, short-term financial boost and have explored other options, Credit Genie could be a viable solution. Just be mindful of the fees and make sure you can repay the advance by your next payday. Remember, Credit Genie is a tool, and like any tool, it can be helpful or harmful depending on how you use it. Used responsibly, it can help you out of a tight spot. Used carelessly, it can lead to a cycle of debt. The final verdict? Credit Genie doesn't offer traditional loans, but it can provide a small cash advance in a pinch. Just weigh the pros and cons carefully before taking the plunge. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,